Hello everyone, welcome back to AI Power Up. Today, we're exploring the fascinating world of free AI music generators that are revolutionizing the music industry and content creation. Whether you're a filmmaker, a podcaster, or just an enthusiast looking to add a little background music to your projects, this video is packed with everything you need. So let's dive into this topic. Part 1. What is AI music? AI music generators use algorithms to create music based on patterns they learn from a vast data set of music styles and genres. These tools are not just reshaping how music is produced, but also making it accessible to everyone. Let's take a closer look at the top 3 free AI music generators available now. Part 2. Top 3 AI music generators. 1. Mubert. Mubert stands as the pinnacle of AI music generation, offering unparalleled innovation and quality. It's not just a music generator, but a comprehensive ecosystem for creators and brands to create unique and royalty-free soundtracks. You simply select a genre, mood, and a few other settings. And Mubert does the rest, streaming endless music that's generated on the fly. Musicfy. Musicfy is a revolutionary online free tool that uses industry-leading AI tech to allow anyone to create music from text easily. You only need to describe the music with text and set the length to generate your track. Junia AI. Junia is also a free AI music generator that allows you to make music from text within seconds. The music maker can transform text, sentences, or words into diverse musical genres and styles instantly. Just enter the music prompt with text, click Generate to create your excellent music track. Those above 3 free AI music generators are a fantastic resource to produce background music for your YouTube channel, score a short film, or just experiment. Try them out and see how they can enhance your projects. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below for more details on each tool we discussed. Okay, this is all for today's video. If you have any questions about free AI music generators, please feel free to leave a comment. And if you find it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible AI tools. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.